Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious pork belly burnt ends. To see how I accomplished this delicious recipe, stay tuned. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe. So to get started guys, what I have is 2 pounds of pork belly thoroughly clean and also my seasoning. So to get started guys, I'm going to go ahead and mix my ingredients together. Salt, Chinese barbecue powder, black pepper, and also barbecue rub. So guys, for easy access, I will go ahead and leave a full measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. So for easy cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop my pork belly into small cubes. So guys, before I go ahead and add my mixed ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly dry my meat first. So guys, when it comes to taste and flavor, you can always prep your meat at advance overnight for a better result. Here we are guys, looks amazing. Next I'm going to go ahead and pre-cook them in oven for 20 minutes. So next guys, you want to go ahead and create a base rub. Do keep in mind a full list of measurement of ingredients will be listed below in the description box so you can always check it out. I'm going to go with some brown sugar, sweet and sour sauce, barbecue sauce, Chinese barbecue powder, dark soy sauce, and also your favorite barbecue rub. So guys, after giving my sauce a full mix, I'm going to go ahead and pre-cook or preheat my sauce for about 1 minute. So here we are, guys. After 20 minutes of pre-cooking, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mixed barbecue base rub and place them back in the oven for an hour. So here we are, guys, after 45 minutes of baking. Delicious pork belly burnt ends. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. So guys, if you enjoyed this delicious pork belly burnt ends recipe, please subscribe. Also, turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll be the first to notify as soon as I upload a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up